Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a while. I've been all over the place. But anyways, on this video, we're gonna be working on a C8. We're doing a front end Z06 front bumper conversion, and we're gonna be adding the I believe it's a Z06 wing. I'm not really sure. I didn't get all the descriptions from the customer. But yeah, when I get the link, I'll put it on there. I'll share it with you guys, just because I don't like the fitting. It's just really close to the hatch. Yeah, come check out the car. Yeah, so the rear fascia got removed, so I didn't do blending panel to panel just because it was just a little section here to delete the bolts from the existing wing. This is a C51, so they had the other wing that had the bolts here. So in order for you to do that, you have to obviously use paint. You can't just touch up this area. You have to literally paint the whole thing. So the right way to do it is to remove the whole back end, take the tail lights off and everything, so you don't have any take marks. Same thing with the front end. You're gonna do the blending, so I've removed the whole front end. I got a little dust there, so squeeze the dust. But yeah, so the way I did this, I've removed everything, just blend the paint a little bit into the panels. You can kind of lose the new color. But yeah, so the only problem we're having with this that I've had with these in the past is the cameras. We can't calibrate them. If anybody out there knows how to calibrate this, let me know. So I'll put them under. They're flush, like on the other one, but what we notice is that they're too close. The other ones are a little bit more separated and they're facing down. So this one, they're facing up. But I will show you the camera the way it looks. I'm gonna show you what they look like. If you look at it, you can't see the middle of the bumper, but from the side you can see it. But right now the problem we're having, like originally, you can see it straight back here. So if you rotate the camera too much this way, then you can't see this corner right here. If you rotate it too much this way, then you can't see the sides. So I feel like there should be some type of calibration, but I'm not aware of any of it. So I'm not really a tech guy, so if any of you guys know how to program these, let me know. Maybe we can teach. I can learn something new. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be pretty much it for this car. Customer's gonna come pick it up right now, so you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna be showing you a little process of what I did with the painting and removing the parts and stuff. I recorded this video backwards. I didn't have any help with the camera, so I recorded everything first, and now I'm kind of guys about to pick up his car. But yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the stuff. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, the little short clips that I had. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we make some new shirts. So if you like them, you can see on the video. There's one that has a C in the back, so there'll be 2 different shirts. Go in there, see, if you like them, hit that buy button, and support the channel. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one.